How to log in into Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to log into Facebook account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. Facebook is a platform where you can connect with friends, send messages and even make voice and video calls worldwide. So first, you need to launch Facebook app on your phone. And then you reach directly on the login page of Facebook where you need to enter the credentials like your mobile number or email address and the password. In case you forget password, tap forget password link underneath login button and recover following the on-screen prompts. If you haven't yet created any account on Facebook, first you need to create your new account by tapping create new account. So start it by entering the credentials. And with this, you will successfully log into Facebook accounts. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.